Salutations AVATUS pioneers, ready to lead another astral adventure. This time we're blurring lines between our universe and yours. Ready to drop your avatar into your reality? AR, here we come. Kick things off with the plus icon. It's more than an addition, it's a portal. Next up, hit that flip the camera icon. Focus your camera on any surface. Wait for that mesh and the tap to place prompt to pop up. Found the sweet spot? Tap. Suddenly, your avatar's chillin' in your realm. Pinch to give your avatar a growth spurt or a mini-me moment. Drag to make them do a little twirl. Captured the moment? Sweet. Follow the cosmic breadcrumbs as you would for any AVATUS post. Lay down some thoughts. Choose a dome. Tag a fellow digital dweller and broadcast your AR adventure. And just like that, two worlds merge into one epic snapshot. With AVATUS, reality isn't just what you see, it's what you create.